Rhodanthe chlorocephala, or the everlasting daisy, is a delightful Australian native that's best planted in large drifts for best effect. This is a very pretty fast-growing annual that likes fertile, well-drained soils and plenty of sun. Single flower heads are held aloft on slender stems and vary in colour from pure white through blushed pink and darker pinks to shades of red. The blooms will last for many weeks and also make superb cut flowers, their papery bracts mixing well in flower arrangements. You can buy them as seedlings, but it's best to sow fresh seed every year and lightly cover with soil and keep moist until they germinate. A feed with dilute liquid fertilizer every couple of weeks during the growing season will encourage bigger and longer lasting blooms. Easy to look after, all you need to do is to keep them well watered as they come into flower and remove spent flower heads afterwards.